Cooking ramen noodles. Cooking ramen noodles. Get out of here. Okay. Matthew, I'm taking a video. Get lost, bud.
All these things are gonna order wrong.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh,
Zoe!
oh,
Oh my God.
So, sit. High five. Yeah, you the man. You the girl. You the man, girl.
You don't want it.
Eat it.
Eat it?
Eat it. No, I don't want you to. What's up? What's up? Oh yeah, you so cute. Why are you so cute?
Never mind, you're...
Eat the popcorn. You suck.
Oh crap.
Ooh, Celine's making ramen noodles.
Oh crap, there's like black stuff floating in it.
It's gonna kill us.
I know, I hate that. I hate when black stuff floats in my ramen.
I don't know about you, but that ain't happened to me.